What's up, YouTube? It's Disposable 762, and today we're going to go over two different types of ammo. So y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
How do you like your coffee? I like my coffee black with a whole lot of freedom.
Alright guys, these rounds you see in front of you are 762 by 39. The rounds on the left do not have a lacquer coating, and the ones on the right do. And what I mean by lacquer coating, see the red paint or lacquer around the bullet and the casing right there on the one on the right, and it also is present near the primer. That is has brought up some issues in some guys' rifles. The lacquer coating, the steel cased Russian ammunition that was coming in for the AR-15s and what have you, people was having a problem with the ammo because pretty much they wasn't cleaning their rifles like they should have been. The lacquer was causing a blockage or chamber obstruction, and they was having issues with the gun not seating around and what have you. The AK-47 is just so loose, the chamber is just so loose that it really doesn't care. The AR-15, which is a good part of the AR-15, is its tight tolerance, which makes it a whole lot more accurate to some standards. But you know, we're talking battlefield accuracy here, and I'd much rather have an AK over an AR. But anyhow, that's a whole different story. So what we're going to do, I got 5 rounds of each here, and to show you why lacquer in a surplus round is important, at least to some people, which I am one of them. We're going to do a little experiment, and we're going to go Folgers versus Maxwell House. The Folgers coffee can is going to hold the lacquer, red. The Maxwell House is going to hold the non-lacquer. So one other thing, I just wanted to show you this here too, so we're all on the same playing field. Come on. They are both Wolf manufacturer, both browns. So here's what we're going to do. The Folgers can, like I said, gets the lacquer coated bullets, 5 of them. The Maxwell House can gets the non-lacquer bullets. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fill these up with salt water. So hang on 1 second. Alright guys, so I filled both of these coffee cans with the same amount of water, and now I'm going to put the salt inside here, and we're going to try to do it the same amount. What I'm going to do, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there we go. There we go. We got the same amount of water in each coffee can, 5 rounds in each coffee can, and salt added to each coffee can. And in a week, I'm going to come back to these coffee cans, and we're going to see what the rounds look like. And we may even test fire those that look safe to test fire through an AK-47. So I thank y'all for watching. Just hang out, and we'll get the next part to this video up next week. This has been Disposable 762, and remember, every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess that Jesus Christ is Lord. And we're gone.